Hey everybody, welcome to this short tutorial on how to design a book cover in Canva. So what we want to do is go over here and you could search for what you want to design, and they have really cool setup already here for different things that you might want to be interested in designing. Right here they have book cover, but we'll just go ahead and search it. Book cover. Come down here, click on book cover. Okay. And the cool thing is they have templates to get you going with your book cover. You know, you just pick on one and you can essentially change it to what you want it to look like. But what we're going to do is go ahead and just pick a blank one. And the first thing you want to do is when you come over here, you want to go to resize. Now resize is in the pro version, which is what you're basically going to need is the pro version. You can do a lot of things in the free version, but the pro version is just a lot more workable and doable for what you're going to be needing to do if you're creating and designing books. I think it's like $13 a month, something like that. But in theory, for ebooks, you really want to do 6 by 9 inches. I already have the preset here, but what you want to do is switch from pixels to inches. Go ahead and click width 6, height 9, 6 by 9 inches. Resize. It's going to resize it over here for you. And you have your presets here, which you can pick one if you want. So it shows over here on the left on templates. But you can start from scratch with elements, which is graphics, photos, or whatever. You just search up here whatever you're interested in. Say we're interested in a globe. Type in globe. Here's the globes. You could pick essentially whatever you want to use. You know. Let's click and drag over here. And what's cool is if you hold it, it'll turn the whole page into that. See? So let's say you're happy with that. We got that picture. Now we want to go to text. You can click preset text, or you can just add a heading and click whatever font you would like. So we'll just add a heading. Drag that up. And it's got the guides in here, which is cool. So add a heading. Give it a name. Let's call it the whole world. Okay. And essentially we can change the font if we like over here. You know. So we'll roll with that. You can change it by the points up here. Type whatever you want in, up. You can plus or minus that. Or you can just click and drag, make it a little bigger. Grab this little cross thing right here. Essentially use your guides. The whole world in his hands. Okay. And then what you want to do, if you want to keep that font, what I usually do is I'll go to these dots and this plus sign right here. You can duplicate what you've highlighted. So it duplicates that. So that ensures you're going to keep the same font. And we'll go here. Put your name. So in theory, that's a book cover design. Now what you want to do over here is click on Share. Go down to Download. We want to keep it as a PNG. We don't want transparent. So you can pick JPEG, PDF, whatever from here, but essentially a book cover, you want to keep it a high quality image, a PNG. You can size it, resize it if you want, but transparent compressed file, save, and all this, as you can see, is with the Pro version. So, which will come in handy when you're making logos and stuff like that. And you definitely want the Pro version if you want to get all these graphics and stuff like that. But what you'll do is you go ahead and download your book cover. Gives you a little celebration pop-up right here as it's downloading, which is pretty cool. But you want to go ahead and check your file. See what it looks like outside of Canva. What's going on with my... There you go. Forgive me, my computer's running slow today. I don't know what it is, but essentially there you go. There's a book cover. Quick tutorial design. You know, you can tweak it however you want, but that's just an overview of how powerful Canva is. I mean, if you put a lot of time into Canva, you can come up with some really fancy, nice looking, high quality book covers. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. Thank you.